So this is a set of the Ausdom wireless noise canceling headphones. They're Bluetooth headphones. They've been sent to me as a gift in exchange for my review, and I tell you, I love these things. I am now using them at work to help drown out the noise of my coworkers, and I can get so much more done during the day. So let's go ahead and take a look at what comes in the box. So you see here it comes with this nice carrying bag that you can carry the headphones in along with the charging cable. One of the cool features that I noticed is that they really last a long time before they need to be recharged. It does say on the box that its battery life is 50 hours of playtime. It has hi-fi stereo sound. The charging port on it is USB-C charge, so that's really nice. And they're really comfortable to wear. So this particular model is a mint green, and I love them. I think they go really good with my eyes. I don't have green eyes, but I have blue eyes, but they just look really good with my skin tone. But that's just me. The sound is great. It has a built-in microphone, so I can also do team meetings, calls, and they can hear me and I can hear them very well over my computer when doing online meetings. It just works really well for me all around. I can use them for listening to music or for, like I said, for attending meetings, and I don't hear all the background noise of people working around me because there's this button on the side of it for ANC, active noise canceling, and I can turn that on or off. And then of course there's the USB-C port on it. There's also a plug-in for an auxiliary cable. So if you wish to play music from an older type of device that has an auxiliary cable, you can plug that in there. And then of course it's Bluetooth, so you can connect it to pretty much anything that has an output of Bluetooth. It was very easy to connect via Bluetooth to my computer and also to my cell phone. And then of course on the side here there is a plus and minus for volume control, so that's really easy to manage that while the headphones are on my head. So I think these are great. They work really well. I really like them for all kinds of uses, for editing my videos at home, in the car for listening to music when my husband has something else on the radio, or for all of my meetings online when I need to block out other noises that are around me. So I highly recommend these. I really like them. So I think you will too.